Hello, welcome guys, and welcome to a new video of me personally. And today, we're going to be reviewing Scorpion Evo 3A1. Okay, not Suicide Mission. But anyways, we're going to be reviewing this beauty of a gun. Here, we have the mag, the gun. Majestic. Just majestic. Oh shoot, my bad. You will pay for your actions. Oh yeah. Anyways. Moving on. FNS 9 airsoft pistol. I got it for 40 bucks. I don't know how much you got it for. Not my problem. Okay, I think that's that sign. But this is a semi-auto bad boy. Doesn't have any bullets, so I don't want to break my camera, but yeah. Yep, FNS. Here's the safety mode right here. Yep. Load the gun. Look, you can see. And yeah, okay, now let's test this bad boy. I can't really pause it, but can I can't pause this thing for some reason. I don't know why. He was a good guy. He was a great guy. He was very great. Motherfucker! Oh, you know what? We're gonna use this thing. Should we get no views? Oh, okay. Let's go, baby! Thank you for watching gun review. See you in the next one. Peace.